Once you install Adobe Acrobat, it actually installs a tab on Office applications. And right now I'm here in PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. So over here you can see that in Acrobat you get some options to embed flash right here, to create and run actions, to create or send, share commenting, or even attach this to an email. But in my case, I want to save this as a PDF, so I'm just going to click on Preferences right here. And over here you can see that I have some conversion settings right here. So I got standard settings right here, or even high quality print. So if you want to go for a high quality, maybe you want to select high quality right here. So over here you can see that you can view Adobe PDF results. So once it actually gets converted, it opens up the PDF version of the document for me. So I'm just going to check that on. There are some advanced settings right here. So if you want to work around with the PDF versions right here, you want to work with the image settings, fonts, colors, and even other advanced settings right here to allow scripts and everything. You can edit everything right here. So I'm just going to click on cancel, and over here you can see that since this is the presentation, you can also convert the speaker notes if you want to, and you can also preserve slide transitions. It does not actually preserve a lot of slide transitions, just minimal, but anyways, if you check this on, some of the transitions may be available in the PDF document as well. So once I'm happy with the settings, I'm just going to press OK, and I'm going to click on Create PDF. It is asking me to actually save the file, so I'm going to save the PowerPoint presentation first, and I'm going to save it onto my TutorTube drive right here inside a PDF saying presentation, just like this. Save it. And now I'm going to, it gives me option to save it as PDF file. I can go to options to actually convert speaker notes and disable this as well. I can also disable the slide transitions if I want to, but I'm just going to keep this on. Press OK. I can also select the number of slides that I want to select, or just stick to current slide. In my case, I'm just going to select all and press OK. And once I'm done, I'm going to press save, and it converts everything into a PDF document. And you can see here that now I have a PDF document right here. There you go. All my PowerPoint slide has been converted right here. And in order for you to present using Adobe Acrobat, you can actually convert this into a full screen. So I'm going to go over View, and over here I want to go into full screen mode. So this actually looks like a presentation now. I can use my arrow keys on my keyboard to click right and left, and this actually looks like a slide. I can also use my mouse scroll button to change the slide, just like this. So it actually just looks like a PowerPoint presentation without the transitions. So that is how you can convert PowerPoint slides into PDF by using the Adobe Acrobat tab inside of PowerPoint. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.